In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads to grow your YouTube channel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your channel to Google Ads and start promoting your videos so more of the right viewers can find your content. First, link your Google account to your YouTube account within Google Ads. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that manages your channel. In your Google Ads dashboard, go to Tools on the left bar, then select Data Manager. This is where you connect data sources that help your ads perform better. Next, select YouTube. You'll see the option to link a channel. Click Link Channel. If you manage multiple channels, confirm you're linking the right one. You may be prompted to confirm the connection. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Linking ensures Google Ads can access your videos and measure views and engagement that come from your ads. Once your channel is linked, you can start creating campaigns for it. At the top left of Google Ads, click Create, then select Campaign. When asked for the campaign type, choose the video campaign type. This tells Google Ads you want to run ads on YouTube and across video placements. From here, you'll start selecting your YouTube videos to advertise them. Pick a video that represents your channel well, delivers value quickly, and has a clear, natural call to action, such as inviting viewers to subscribe or watch a related video. If you have a short trailer or a strong piece of evergreen content, that often works well. As you select your video, preview how it will appear as an ad to make sure the opening seconds are attention-grabbing, your audio is clear, and your message is easy to understand without relying on too much on-screen text. Keep your title and thumbnail consistent with the ad's message so viewers know what to expect when they click through to your channel. During the creation flow, Google Ads will guide you through the rest of the setup. Use the prompts to align the campaign with your goal of growing your channel, and be intentional about the videos you choose to promote. If you're unsure which video to start with, choose the one that best reflects your channel's value and encourages viewers to stick around for more. That's all. You've linked your YouTube channel to Google Ads, created a new campaign, selected the video campaign type, and chosen the videos you want to promote. Follow these steps, and you'll be ready to put your content in front of more viewers who are likely to enjoy and subscribe to your channel.